One of the features of the Omni-VII is flexibility afforded the operator for the desired sound of single sideband transmit audio. A monitor function has been provided for the operator to listen to the sound of actual transmitted SSB audio. There are 5 radio controls used for SSB transmit audio. The first is transmit bandwidth, which is adjusted using the SSB TX bandwidth control in the menu. This is adjustable in steps from 4,000 Hz maximum down to a minimum of 1 kHz. Low frequency roll-off, shown here as TX roll-off, determines where the low-end starting point of SSB transmit audio is. For example, if you have SSB transmit bandwidth set at 2600 here, and you have TX roll-off set at 100 Hz here, the total response is from 100 Hz to 2700 Hz for a total of 2600 Hz for the sideband transmit bandwidth. The third control is TX equalizer, shown here. This is a 6 dB per octave filter. As you adjust this into negative range, it makes the sound of SSB transmit audio more trebly. As you go into positive range, more bassy. The fourth control is mic gain, which is adjusted via the front panel mic gain control. You can see it's adjusted here with the multi-knob. The fifth control is speech processing, which is adjusted via the front panel SP Vox button. Speech processor value shown here. Additionally, there is a hardware mic gain control that is accessible under the front of the bottom panel. Okay, so I'll adjust a few of these parameters here on sideband transmit audio. You have mic gain here. Bring it down, up, up. Mic gain, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Speech processor is accessible from the front panel by pressing the SP button. You can see here's the speech processor value. As this gets turned up, SSB audio gets more distorted and punchy. Hello, 1, 2, kind of DX audio at that point. W4 Papa Alpha, W4 PA. Inside the menu system, we have a transmit equalizer. The TX equalizer is a 6 dB per octave filter. As you turn this into the positive range, the SSB audio gets a little more bassy sounding. Bass heavy, hello, hello, hello. Back toward flat, and now we'll go into the more treble range. As the filter tips toward the treble side, hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single sideband transmitted bandwidth is adjustable. It's a maximum of 4 kHz. Can be adjusted to a minimum of 1 kHz. Set that at about 2800 or so. That's probably good communications grade audio. TX roll-off determines where the low end of the response is. If we set this at 100 Hz, we then have a response window of 100 Hz to 2900 Hz for a total of 2800. As I turn this up, the transmit audio will get a little bit more trebly sounding as it cuts the lows off. And as I turn this down to the minimum of 70 Hz, it's a little bit more well-rounded audio response.